Seniors lose $3 billion a year to online scams. Most of those losses are completely preventable. This video covers the exact steps that protect you and the exact phrases scammers use so you can recognize them immediately. Grandparent scam. Someone calls claiming to be a grandchild in trouble needing money. IRS and Social Security calls demanding immediate payment or threatening arrest. Tech support pop-ups claiming your computer is infected and needs urgent attention. Hang up and call the real number directly from the official website. Never click any link inside an email. Go directly to the website yourself. No legitimate government agency or company demands immediate payment by phone. 3 random words plus a number. Coffee River Map 42. 1 unique password per account. Never reuse passwords across sites. Write them in a dedicated password logbook, not on a sticky note. Only shop on websites that show HTTPS in the address bar. Use a credit card rather than a debit card. Fraud protection is far stronger. Check your statements every single week for charges you do not recognize. Most targets are between 60 and 80 years old. Scammers are trained professionals. Falling for one does not mean you are careless. A simple password logbook makes staying safe manageable and organized. The printable password logbook in the description is designed to be simple, secure, and easy to keep up to date. It makes a wonderful gift for a parent or grandparent too. Link below. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.